Hi there! In today's video we are going to review this Bibury Folding Bow Saw. So we've got this folding bow saw, we got this from Amazon. So I've had this saw for a few months now. I did purchase it, it cost me $19.99, however they have reduced the price. If you are a Prime member in the UK you can get it currently for $13.99. So that is correct price at the time of recording. Late November 2024. But yeah, so the folding Bibury bow saw, I think it's so good. I've got another one. I bought two. So it comes in a little bag. It's nylon bag with a bit of mesh, and it comes as a tube all packed together. So I'll just pop the completed one out of the way and I'll show you how easy this is to build up. So it's got screw caps on the end, literally just unscrew one of them. Take that off. Comes with two blades. You have a fine blade and a coarse blade. Has a support tube and a screw and bar. So to build it up, you take one of the handles. So we'll get the screw bar fluid first. Support bar in the middle. And we'll get the blade in. It is a little bit fiddly, so it might all fall to pieces. Alright, so and then, oops, if you can keep it all together, which I'm struggling to do, you got the screw bar, sorry, the screw at the top. Screw that back on, tighten it up, and that is your bow saw ready to go. Like I say, you've got the coarse blade that are fitted, and you've got the finer blade. I would almost say like a hacksaw blade. I don't know, it's maybe not as fine as a hacksaw blade, but yeah, that is a bow saw. So, is it any good? Let's find out. So as you just saw, I unscrewed one of the end caps and it's all just come apart. So you have the center bar, this goes through here to keep it all together. Have a support bar, it goes in the middle. You put one of the blades in, you get two blades, you get a coarse tooth one and you get a finer tooth one. So we're going to use the coarse tooth one at the moment. And this is the part that's a bit of a pain in the backside. It's probably an easier way to do it. And then the bit that you unscrewed before just screws back on. Tighten it up at both ends. And there is your little saw ready to go. So we've got this branch here. And was just one that I found on the floor. Let's see if I can go the other way. Dead easy. As simple as that. Like I say, took what, 30 seconds to put together, took seconds to cut through the branch. Well, it's a fairly decent branch. I don't know if you can see it's a lot thicker than the diameter of this saw. So you've just seen how quickly this bow saw can cut through fairly decent branches. You know, it cut through it in absolute seconds. So yeah, this bow saw, I would highly recommend it. I will put a link in the description. Like I say, I bought it from Amazon UK. So just to be clear, it is an affiliate link. If you do purchase this item after clicking on the link, although it won't cost you any extra money, I may receive a small commission for you going via my link. With that though, this is not a sponsored video. I did purchase this with my own money. So if you've enjoyed this video, just please do give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. We do reply to all comments. And finally, if you want to watch more videos or be notified when we release a new video, please do click on that subscribe button and the bell icon. It will notify you every time we release a video. We'll put one of our playlists just up here if you want to watch more videos, or we'll get YouTube to recommend a video for you just down here. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.